Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to save a project on ClipChamp. First of all, open the web browser. Here search ClipChamp. Click to open its site. Then click on Create a new video. After that, click on Import Media. Select an image from Pictures. Drag a picture to edit. Click on Music and SFX from its dashboards. Select to add any music. Now play the video to listen to the music on image. Then go back to the home page. If it shows your files are in sync to the cloud, check on the Don't Show This Again text. Then click on Continue Without Sync. From your videos, click on the three dots of the video, from which you can make a copy of this video or delete the video. Click on that image. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.